Hello everyone, I am Shaileyee welcoming you to the Medical and Pharmacy Crash Course Division in the Knowledge Club online. Friends, today I have come with an episode in the Medical and Pharmacy Crash Course Division MCQ question answer session regarding previous lectures topics. These question answer sessions will help you ready for a competitive exam or medical exam. First, I am telling the rules of this type of episode. You require to take one pen and paper only. At first, 20 questions run over the screen. You have to write down the answer on the paper, and after 20 questions, you submit your answer at the comment box. Then, check your answer correct or not from the rest of the video. After 20 questions, I will discuss the answers to those questions. If you follow this rule properly, definitely these episodes help you to revise, consolidate and polish your knowledge and skills. Also help you to develop an in-depth understanding of the subject, assess and review knowledge. Questions contained in these type of episodes have been designed to be similar in the pattern used in JEE Medical, NEET, CSIR UGC NET, GRE, DBT JRF, ICMR, GET, GPAT, JNU PhD, JU PhD, IISc and so on medical exams and pharmacy semester exams. For the sake of better self-assessment as well as a thorough and comprehensive understanding of the subject, I have kept it topic or chapter wise. So, let's start today's session of question and answer. Today's topic is human physiology, heart and circulatory system based on previous lectures on heart anatomy and physiology chapter. If you missed those episodes, please come to the solve the questions after watching those videos thoroughly. You will get that video's link at the description part. Question number 10, answer is B. Although basophils are not phagocytic yet, they do play a role in the body defense mechanisms. They release histamine into injured tissue. Question number 1. In the sinuses of an open circulatory system, blood is not segregated from the cytoplasm, interstitial fluid, digestive cavity, urine. Question number 2. In a closed circulatory system, blood is completely enclosed within the skeleton, sinuses, vessels, hearts. 3. In which of the following groups of animals the heart pumps only deoxygenated blood? Fishes, reptile, birds, amphibians. Question number 4. The cells constituting walls of the blood capillaries are known as parietal cells, hemocytes, oxyntic cells, endothelial cells. Question number 5. Serum differs from plasma in having excess of fibrinogen and clotting factors, absence of fibrinogen and other clotting factors, absence of hemoglobin, excess of hemoglobin. Question number 6. The colloid osmotic pressure of blood is mainly due to the globulin, albumin, fibrinogen, none of the above. Question number 7. Erythrocytes of frog differ from that of rabbit in that in frog they are large and round with biconcave nucleus, small round biconcave and non-nucleated, large and oval with biconcave nucleus, large and rectangular with biconcave nucleus. Question number 8. Which one of the following types of cells produces lots of antibodies? Fibroblasts, plasma cells, macrophages, mast cells. 9. Which one of the following is phagocytic cell? Monocyte, eosinophil, platelet, basophil. 10. Which one of the following is not phagocytic cell? Monocyte, basophil, neutrophil, lymphocyte. Question number 11. Thromboplastin required in blood clotting is secreted by monocytes, lymphocytes, erythrocytes, platelets. Question number 12. Blood clot inside a blood vessel is known as thrombosis, agglutinin, clot, thrombus. Question number 13. In human, the prothrombin required for blood clotting is produced by liver, stomach, pancreas, spleen. Question number 14. Which of the metallic ions is essential for blood clotting? Sodium, calcium, potassium, iron. Question number 15. Blood coagulation is prevented by thrombin, plastin, heparin, prothrombin. Question number 16. A clot of blood contains prothrombin, fibrinogen, fibrin, thrombin. Question number 17. The tricuspid valve occurs between the right atricle and right ventricle, pulmonary aorta, corticosystemic aorta and left ventricle. Question number 18. The diastolic pressure in a healthy person is 60 mm, 80 mm, 100 mm, 120 mm. Question number 19. One heartbeat in an average man lasts 0.8 second, 0.2 second, 0.5 second, 1 minute. Question number 20. In the cardiac cycle, diastole is the number of heartbeats per minute, the relaxation period after contraction of the heart, the forceful pumping action of the heart, the contraction period after relaxation of the heart. Question number 1, answer is B. When the blood does not remain confined to the blood vessels and flows into spaces and channels called lacunae and sinuses in the tissues, it is termed as the open circulatory system. The open circulatory system is common to molluscs and arthropods. Question number 2, answer is C. When the blood remains confined to the blood vessels, it is called the closed circulatory system. In vertebrate animals are some annelids such as the earthworm and some molluscs such as squid. Question number 3, answer is A. In fishes, heart is two-chambered and auricle and ventricle. It receives venous blood only and pumps blood to gills only for oxygenation. Hence referred to as the venous heart or branchial heart. Question number 4, answer is D. The cells constituting walls of the blood capillaries are known as endothelial cells. Question number 5, answer is B. Serum is the fluid that separates from clotted blood or blood plasma that is allowed to stand. Serum is essentially similar in composition to plasma but lacks fibrinogen and other substances that are used in the coagulation process. Question number 6, answer is B. Albumins normally constitute about 55% of the plasma proteins. They adhere chemically to various substances in the blood, that is amino acids, and thus play a role in their transport. Albumins and other proteins of the blood aid significantly in regulating the distribution of water and maintenance of proper osmotic pressure in the body. Number 7, the answer is C. In frog, the red blood corpuscles are large oval cells with a bulging biconvex nucleus. In mammals, erythrocytes are round biconcave and non-nucleated. Question number 8, answer is B. The plasma cells, antibody producing cells found in the epithelium of the lungs and gut and also in bone forming tissue. Question number 9, answer is A. The monocyte is a large phagocytic white blood cell, moves into the tissues to become a macrophage. Question number 11, answer is D. When any injury is caused, the blood platelets release certain chemical factors which are termed the platelet factors, the thromboplastin. The platelet factor help in coagulation of blood. Thromboplastin helps in the formation of the enzyme prothrombinase. Question number 12, answer is D. The thrombus is an intravascular blood clot. Question number 13, answer is A. Prothrombin is manufactured in the liver. Vitamin K is essential for the formation of prothrombin. Question number 14, answer is B. For storage of blood outside the body, the most frequently employed compounds are citrate and oxalate salts, which bind with calcium. This reaction effectively removes calcium as factor in coagulation. Question number 15, answer is C. The heparin is an anticoagulant produced in liver cells, some white blood cells and certain other cells, which acts by inhibiting the action of the enzyme thrombin in the final stage of blood coagulation. Question number 16, answer is C. The fibrin is an insoluble fibrous protein that is precipitated at the site of wounds to form blood clots. Clots reduce blood loss and seal off the blood vessel to prevent infection. Question number 17, answer is A. Tricuspid valve. The valve in the heart between the right atrium and right ventricle. It consists of 3 cusps that channel the flow of blood from the atrium to the ventricle and prevent any backflow. Question number 18, answer is B. That is diastolic pressure in 80 mm. Question number 19, answer is A. The one heartbeat in an average man lasts 0.8 seconds. Question number 20, answer is B. That is the relaxation period after contraction of the heart means the diastole. So guys, hope you enjoyed today's question and answer session and increased your knowledge more on this chapter. I am coming with another question and answer session on another chapter in the next episode that also help you to flourish your knowledge more. If you like this video, please like, share and comment freely. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you already subscribed, then thanks a lot. After subscribing our channel, please click on the bell button for getting the regular updates. I am coming with another video very shortly. Till then, goodbye.